So here's my daughter's early birthday present this year. It's the boutique tea set. It comes wrapped up in this bubble wrap here. So let's get it open and take a closer look at it. So here's the tea set right here. So here's a closer look at the box right here. It has a vintage feel to it, yet it feels really sturdy as well. And that includes this metal handle here and the metal clasp as well. Let's see how it opens up on its hinges. Up to a little over 90 degrees there. On the inside, we've got a little strap holding the lid down, as well as a little tray in the lid here held down by elastic bands. And that's got some birds and flowers, and that's made out of metal. And we've got a handful of stuff on the inside here. So that's everything you get inside the tea set there, except for the tray. You get 4 of these little plates here, 4 of these tiny spoons, 4 of these smaller plates here that hold up 4 of these little teacups here. We get a kettle with a spout and a handle, and the lid pops off. We get a bunch of food like these donuts, candies, biscuits, cakes, ice cream that pops off, and a bucket of popcorn that does the same thing. And we also get this little set of things here that turns into this by taking this large piece here with this large tube here and putting them together, and then taking the second biggest piece here and connecting it to the top of that tube, and then taking the second largest tube here and repeating the process, taking the third smallest plate here and repeating the process, taking the third tube here and putting it on top, and taking the 4th piece here and putting it on top like an umbrella. And that can be stacked up with all the goodies. So there's the entire play set right there with the mat out and all the plates and spoons and cups and all the treats on that little serving tray right there on top of the actual larger tray. So it's a really nice little toy. I know my daughter loves it, so I'm going to hand it over to her now. And if your kid is looking for something like this that could be used as a tea set for all their toys, then this might be a good option for you too.